Hi, this is Daniel here with Pre-Owned Motor Cars again. Just wanted to bring you another new arrival. This one's our 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. This one's equipped with keyless entry, so you just hit that tab or the indents there on the door handle. As long as you have the key fob on you, it'll lock and unlock the vehicle for you, which is really nice and convenient. Tires are brand new. Here's the rears. This one's equipped with black leather seats, and the seats are in great shape. Seats in the rear are also in great shape, and then this one is equipped with WeatherTech mats all the way around, making it really easy for cleanup. Just pull them out, hose them off, throw them right back. This one only has 85 miles on it right now. Equipped with a premium JBL sound system, lane departure warning, advanced cruise control as well. And then you have a nice big touchscreen too. Wireless charger down there, and then you do also have the power sliding window in the rear, controlled by this button here. Top of that, this one is equipped with a sliding sunroof, as well as the more advanced off-roading package from Toyota, which includes a rock crawl, differential, other things like that. This one also has some automated safety features like the blind spot monitor, parking sensors, and a reverse camera, of course. And this one's a multi-view angle, which is pretty nice, so you can customize that on your screen. And of course, it's pre-installed with bed liner from the factory too. So if you've been looking for a truck like this, give us a call at 808-334-1111, and you can ask for Daniel. I'm one of the sales associates here, and we're open from Monday through Saturday. If you're looking to get financing, you could always go online, fill out a credit app, or you can come down and we can fill one out together. Thanks for watching.